lives of referees. I honestly think now referees are afraid to make decisions because VAR gets involved.
Hello! Tell it to us first.
Go on. Put it on video, mate.
On paper, that is, I'm not going to say pretty right, but surely you look at that and you go, that's very, very doable. Like, and I actually think, in a way, that some Celtic fans, I don't want to speak for all of them, but I know myself, my reaction to that was, I'm actually a little bit frustrated now that the board haven't maybe done.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. You fucking idiot.
But if you were to then start your engine, they'd give you it. Yeah. That means probably. Whoa. Fuck me. What a dickhead. They could have come in.
Whoa. Jesus.
I'm just back from the Edinburgh Festival last couple of weeks. I'm thinking
The weight.
Fuck. Oh no, watch us.
Fuck.
Fucking hell.
moving.
Holy Jesus Christ. You didn't have another crash.
Holy fuck, what's going on here?
Has gone on the pavement.
What the fuck? She was going to try and park at the back of us doing it.
No, him in the Clio.
Yeah.
He just stopped here and then wanted to reverse.
What's with him? Because
I know. I don't know.
I think he's looking at him all over the place. There's something wrong there. So he running the police?
No, he was. What's the name in the car? He's checking the car.
And we'll ring the police, look. See, he's just beeped you.
Yeah, found him. What is it? XY?
YX 58 VAA, and it's a red Clio.
It's a red Clio.
Police, please. Yeah. It's Bilston, turn left. That's why we rung you straight away, because he parked up, so we parked up behind him to see what he's up to. But now he's gone. So.
I'm just worried.
Hello, yeah, I've just reported a drunk driver.
Well,
Weather. And he's in a red Clio YX58 VAA, right? I've just put the phone down and he's just gone round and he's behind us, he's behind our car now. We're on, what's his road?
oh, I don't know.
Wellington Road. Bilston, Wellington Road, on the way to
By
Wolverhampton.
Creations.
By Creation Shop. Is he still following us?
Litchfield Street.
Oh, Litchfield Street.
Yeah,
That's
he's
where we are
behind
now.
us. Well,
Yeah.
we've got to. Oh, should we carry on straight? See the tank road.
Just straight.
He's still behind me.
That's right, YX58 VAA, and it's a red Clio, and he's right behind us. He's right behind us now. Now he's not following us. What he's done is we lost him. We've just rung you up.
We think he's drunk.
He's definitely drunk. And what he did is he turned left, and he's gone. He's gone all the way around. And just as we've come back out onto the roundabout, he's appeared right behind us. So he's not following us. It's just circumstance. But it's definitely him. In
And
other words,
we're on the Wellington Road now.
and we're on the Wellington. Now we've seen him. He got out of the car. That's what I've just reported to the person before
He's
you.
staggering.
He was all over the place. He nearly had to crash twice by us. He got out of the car. He was staggering all over the place. So I definitely sure he's drunk, but there's definitely something happening there. But just to let you know, so if you can let the police know,
He's on the Wellington
He's
Road.
on the Wellington Road, right behind us now.
But just by the Quick Fit.
Right, yeah, we're just passing Arthur Street on the left.
Quick Fit.
Yeah, we're passing the Quick Fit.
So he's on the Wellington Road.
Excellent.
Unless he turns into the Bilston thing.
Okay, see you in a minute. Bye bye.